All right, after a stellar celebration at work today, a day late for Brianna Arsman Barnhart's Kevin Harvick 29th birthday, almost at Ricky Rudd 28th. I'm thinking of last year. We're back with another cooking video, which we're going to be making cheese salsa. But you'll get rid of all the chunks you don't need, as if you're a picky eater like me and Anna Grace Arnold. And this is the chips that we're going to use with it. Now, I haven't done this in a very long time, so my mom's going to be in the background with bad knees watching TV, walking me through or commentating. That way I can remember for the future. So let's get this fiesta started. It feels like it's like we're having a snack after we get out of the Latin club taking salsa lessons like Desmond Child did when he moved back to Miami Beach, where he grew up after the Northridge earthquake. Now, this first part is easy and something I can do, but wait, we gotta open this all the way. Hold on. 107.3 The Wave. Yeah, we need to remove that shit. All right, we got it. We got the shit removed. So here's a better angle so you can see better. All you can see better. We pour the salsa in the blender. Hopefully this son of a bitch is on tight. It is. I just wanted to make sure. Okay, Mom, this is the way you jump in for commentary. But I gotta figure out how to tighten this up.
Where's the lid on it?
Oh, I'm tightening it up right now. I gotta remember how to tighten it. Oh, wait a second. I think I might remember.
The arrows have to line up.
That's what I just realized. Yeah. Okay. I gotta remember how.
If you bring it here, I'll put it on for you.
But I already filled it up, and I already plugged it in. But I don't want to make you get up either. I think I got it. Yep, I got it. I remembered. Now what do we press? The two? Okay. Now, headphone, I want to warn you, like Ward Burton, this is good for headphone users. This is going to be loud as fuck, so listen with caution. Take my hand off the thing because it was my finger. My speech is like a motherfucking stroke in the middle of my Okay, that's enough of that, I think. Well,
you don't have to hold the button down.
Oh, you sure? Mm-hmm. Let's test that out. One more. You're right, it does work. I'll know that for the future. All right, here's a little closer look at what it looks like when, the chunks are out of there, all courtesy of the blender. As the biased picky eater I am, damn well I'm gonna say this looks and tastes a hell of a lot better than how people normally eat it. Okay, the last step before we dig in it, or before that, in between, clean up the mess, is pour the newly designed salsa into the jar. Okay, I want to make sure that. Ooh. That was close. That scared me. And I made sure the leftover chunks in the jar was out. So that'll do it for this cooking video. My next cooking video most likely be GFS Steaks and how we cook that in the air fry over there. So I will see you all for that next video for the Goldbergs, which I think is, where was the installment? I said this earlier in the Brianna Arsman video. Yeah, the Brett Bodine installment, because we went over episode 9 and 10 during the break that I didn't couldn't watch real time because I was sick. Now, Thursday, ride permitting, if my mom is able to either even if she's not working, as long as she feels like taking me to Mallory's game, there'll be a TV broadcast YouTube video. But if you don't see it, you'll know why. And in place of it will be on my reaction video too. I think, gotta remember the count. The Johnny Benson installment of Flash and the Casey Atwood installment of The Really Loud House. Then Saturday, it's going to be a busy day. Haircut in the first half, and then that will be the opening cutscene. And then the preacher presentation will be dinner at the Fireball Man's house. So have a good night tonight. I get to say this again for the second time today. Have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Life will give you a lot of lows, but when you hit a high, enjoy it. It ain't for the weak. Goddamn, pick yourself, bring your ass, be you. You have to try harder to do less. You can't deport a dream. I'm trying to say this quietly so mom can hear a show. Sometimes the worst things in life lead to the best things. Always bet on the side of love. You gotta check yourself before you wreck yourself. Sometimes you just gotta be present. You never fail until you stop trying. It never pays to worry too much about things. It's never too late to turn the day around. Another day on time, another day to shine. Sometimes you just gotta flack yourself, trust your instincts, stand up for yourself, not back down to anyone. All for one, one for all. She love, act different. Take care, everyone. Good night. And there's a lot in store for 2023 that I have for all of you content-wise, so you won't want to miss it. I'll explain more about it in the days and weeks to come throughout the rest of the month leading up to my Kevin Harvick 29th birthday next month. So see you later, everyone. Let's eat.